Hello everyone. Today we continue our series. We have done up to question number 5, class 6 mensuration exercise 10.1. So as we have done in our previous part, question number 1 to 5. So we start from question number 6 onward, from question number 6 to 15. First question number 6. This is given. This is in this question you can see perimeter of each of the following shapes. A triangle of sides 3, 4 and 5. So perimeter of triangle is equals to 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So if you add them, you will get 12 centimeter. That is perimeter of the triangle. Okay. Now we move to the B part. Here we have the B part. This is equilateral triangle. In equilateral means all sides are equal. So in case of question number 6, B part, perimeter is equals to sum of 3 sides and all sides are equal. So we write 9 plus 9 plus 9. That is, if you add them, 27 centimeter. This is the perimeter in case of B part. So again, question number 6, C part. In C part, this isosceles triangle, you can see equal sides 8. That means two sides are 8 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter. So we write perimeter is equal to 8. We write 8 two times and the third side 6. If we add them, then you will get 22 centimeter. This is the perimeter in question number 6, C part. Now, after this one, we take question number 7. Here is the question number 7. Find the perimeter of the triangle with the sides 10, 14 and 15. So in case of question number 7, perimeter of the triangle is equal to the sum of the side, that is 10 centimeter plus 14, then 15 centimeter. If you add all these sides, 5, 4, 4, 9, that is 39 centimeter. This is the perimeter in case of question number 7. Then we move to question number 8. Here you can see in question number 8, perimeter of a regular hexagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Hexagon means with 6 sides and each side is 8. So perimeter in case of a regular hexagon, that will be 6 into side. And we have given that side is 8. That is 6 into 8, or we can say 48 meter. This is the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. This is question number 8. Then we move to question number 9. In question number 9, find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, or we can write it as 4 into side equals to perimeter, or we can write 4 into side is equals to perimeter is given to us 20. So side is equal to 20 divided by 4. What we have done? We have divided both sides by 4. Okay. So if you divide this by 4 and this also by 4, this get cancelled. So what is left? This part is left. 20 upon 4 here. If you cancel 4, 5 ja. So 5 is the 5 is for 5 meter. So side is, you have to find the side of the square, or you can write side of square is equal to 5 meter. This is about up to question number 9. Now we erase this part. Then we start with question number 10. In question number 10, you can write here question number 10. In question number 10, perimeter of regular pentagon is 100. So pentagon is irregular. So perimeter is equal to, pentagon means 5 sides. So 5 into side. You have given the perimeter, that is 100, or you can write it as 5 into side is equal to perimeter, or 5 into side is equals to 100. In next step, we divide both sides by 5. This get cancelled, or we can write it as side equals to 100 by 5, or if you cancel them, it will come as 20. So how long is its each side? So each side is 20 centimeter. Okay, or we can write each side of pentagon equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, this is question number 10. Now we move to question number 11. In question number 11, you can see a piece of a string 30 centimeter long. एक धागा है 30. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square? अगर string है आपके पास, for example you have a string, और इसकी लेंथ आपको दे रखी है 30 सेंटीमीटर. इससे क्या किया इन्होंने, फर्स्ट पार्ट में कैसे हम स्क्वायर बनाया, इससे क्या बनाया, इससे इसको स्क्वायर बनाया. So we can see here, this is a square. So what is the same in the string and the square? That is, perimeter of the square is equal to the length of the string. That is what is same. That is, perimeter of square is equal to the length of string. That is, perimeter of square is 4 into side, and this is equal to 30. So then we divide both sides by 4. ये इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इसको इससे कैंसिल करेंगे तो इट विल कम एज 7.5. So side of a square is come as 7.5, or we can say side of square equals to 7.5 centimeter. So this is about question number 11A part. Now we talk about the B part. Question number 11. In B part, we have equilateral triangle. That is, length of the string, which is 30 centimeter. What we can do? We are making triangle with this one. We are making triangle with this string. So that means perimeter of this triangle is equal to the length of string. So perimeter कितना होगा इसका? Equilateral triangle में होता है 3 into side in case of a equilateral triangle. So perimeter is given you 30, and this is equal to 3 into side, or we can write 3 into side equals to 30, dividing both sides by 3. So side is equal to 10. 3 10 ja. So side in case of equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter. This is B part. Then we talk about the C part. Question number 11. In C part, the same string is used to form a regular hexagon or perimeter of a regular hexagon equals to, this is given equal to 6 into side, and which is equal to 30, dividing both sides by 6. ये इससे कैंसिल हो गया. So side is equal to 30 upon 6, that is 5. So 5 centimeter. So in case of a regular hexagon, if you are making regular hexagon using the string, the side will come as 5 centimeter. Now we move to question number 12. Question number 12. In question number 12, this is question number 12. Two sides of triangle are 12 and 14, and perimeter is given you 36. What is the third side? So perimeter of square is sum of the side, that is 12 plus 14. Two sides are there. Third side is not given. let it be side, and sum of all these three sides is equal to perimeter, which is given you 36. So if you add these two, 26 plus side is equal to 36, or third side is equal to 36 minus 26, that is equals to 10. So in this case, third side of the triangle is 10 centimeter. This is question number 12. Now we move to question number 13. Question number 13. You can see question number 13. Cost of fencing a square park with side 250 and rate this one. So in case of 13, side of the square park is given you 250 meter. Side is given. To find the cost, first we need to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, in case of a square, 4 into side, that is 4 into 250. This is equal to 1000 meter. This is perimeter of the square park. Then cost is always equal to perimeter into rate. Perimeter into rate. Perimeter is given you 1000 and rate is equal to rupees 20 per meter. So if you multiply, you will get it as rupees 20,000. This is cost. This is the cost of fencing the square park. Now we move to question number 14. In question number 14, you can see again we have to find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. Length is given you 175 and breadth is given you 125. Then we will first find the perimeter. In case of a rectangle, perimeter is 2 bracket L plus B. So perimeter is equal to 2, length 175 and breadth 125. So first we will add them. If you add them, it will come as 300, or this is equal to 600 meter. This is what? This is perimeter. So cost is equal to perimeter into rate. So perimeter is 600 and rate is given you 12 rupees 12 per meter. If you multiply, it will come as 7200 rupees 7200. This is question number 14. Now we come to question number 15. In case of question number 15, you can see this is question number 15. One is a square park. In case of a square park, one is running around the square park. and second one is running around a rectangular park. Second one is running rectangular park. Rectangular park is like this, in the shape of a rectangle. Then after this one, what is given? Square park, the side is 75, or in rectangle length is 60. Longer side is always length and shorter side is the breadth 45. So we will find what we have to do. We have to find the perimeter of the both the figures and who covers the less distance. जिसमें कम होगा वो कम डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. 15 में पेरीमीटर आएगा 4 into side, since this is the square, so that is 4 into 75 or 300 meter. In case of a rectangle, it is 2 bracket L plus B. So perimeter is equal to 2, length is equal to 60 and breadth is equal to 45. So if you add them, it will come to, this will come as 105 or this will come as 210. So perimeter square is more. So who will cover the less distance? Since Bulbul is running around rectangular park, so Bulbul covers the less distance. So we will write here Bulbul covers less distance. Okay, so this is your answer of question number 15. So we will end up here only.